Okay, at this point in the program, most people have one main question. What's that? Price, exactly. So we're going to go over that next. Make sure you can find an open spot on your note card there so you can write these numbers down and take these home with you today. I'm going to give you the figures on the BlueMax air conditioning optimizer, the solar powered fan, and also the multi-layer reflective insulation. And I'm actually going to give you two sets of pricing on those things, the regular price and then something that we call the install list discount price. That's actually the one you want to pay special attention to because we only make that available to folks who come on out to the program to find out about all this the way that you guys have today. Now that's a really simple program. Here's what that's all about. You already know we're very spread out geographically. Now, when we come and do a week of programs in an area like this, our whole goal is to give as many jobs to our work crews as we possibly can in the area, as opposed to jobs that can be 2 and 3 and even 4 hours apart from each other. That could really be hard to manage for our team in terms of time, hard to manage the costs for our family-owned companies, you can imagine, as opposed to if the jobs are all grouped, I mean, our guys can do 2 and even 3 installs in a day. So anyway, the Install List Discount Program, that's where, hey, you know you're sick of paying bills, too much for your utilities, and you want to help us keep our guys busy. Man, you're helping us out a ton. We want to be able to help you back. In other words, you're generating thousands of dollars in savings in terms of our expenses, and we pass those savings on to you. All right, let's begin with that BlueMax air conditioning optimizer. The regular price on that is $7.99 plus tax and standard labor. I'm sorry, that's not $7.99, Bill. Okay, the install discount on that is at $5.99, and that includes everything. Includes the tax, includes the labor, includes the warranties. $5.99 for any size or type air conditioning system. Okay, next, the solar-powered attic fan. The regular price on your solar-powered fan is $1,995 plus tax, and labor to install is $200. On the install list discount program, if you qualify for that, it's $1,795. That includes the tax, and you get half-price labor, just $100 to put the fan in. Okay, and then finally, the multi-layer reflective insulation, the foundation for an energy-efficient home. The regular price on your MLI is just $3.49 per square foot, plus tax. And then the labor to install is just 40 cents a square foot. And then if you get your MLI, if you qualify on that discount program, you can get yours for just $3.19 a foot. That includes the tax, just like the fan. And also like the fan, you get half-price labor, just 20 cents a foot. Okay, everyone's got their pricing. Let's go ahead. We're going to wrap up here shortly, everybody. Go ahead and take out that card that you filled out coming in. Flip it over to the back side. Okay, and you see I've done here, I've written a 1, 2, 3 along the edge. Do the same thing on your card, okay? This is for that test that we're going to take. I'm sure they told you, right? And if you don't pass the test, you get the bill. Obviously, just kidding. Okay, so for the first question, you're going to write down your answer. We do a ton of these programs. Did you like the food here at this restaurant? Okay, yes or no for number 1. Did you like their food? Okay, great. Everyone's got your answer. Okay, number 2, this is kind of about me. You can probably see where this is kind of going, right? This is, did I do a good job in presenting the material to you? My boss cares about that. I care about that. So for number 2, would you please put either a yes or a yes? Thanks very much. Okay, folks, for number 3, I'm actually going to ask you guys to help us out if you would. What we've done is, for everybody who came out to today's programs, we've actually set aside time tomorrow for one of our energy techs to come out, make a quick stop by the home, and what we're going to do for you folks is a really thorough, free attic inspection, and we're going to write up a to-the-penny, no-obligation quote for your home. Now, when our EPA certified technician comes out, makes that quick survey of your attic, they're going to check these critical areas. They're going to check for structure. They're going to check any kind of airflow problems there might be. They're going to see if there's any kind of infestation critters that could be creating problems up top. They're going to check for moisture. And of course, they're going to check the current condition of your insulation, low spots, bare spots, R-value depletion rates, that kind of thing. And just see if there's even something that would benefit you at all in your home. Once they've finished that inspection, they'll grab their laser equipment and take exact measurements of your attic space and write up a to the penny bid for your home, and you're actually going to get to keep that bid for up to a full year at the regular prices. I'll show you. It looks a little bit like this sheet right here. And the tech will write up the numbers on the regular price right here. We're going to lock that in for you guys for 1 full year as a bid, okay? Now on this column, he's going to go ahead and write up as well what that install list discount program is. If you qualify, you're going to be able to see both numbers of what it would be and what you would save. And if you decide it makes sense to help us keep our guys busy, man, we'd love to serve you. If not, hang on to that for future reference. It's totally up to you, okay? So the times that we have available for our guy to come out and get you that great inspection, write up that quote for your home, it starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. and runs all the way until 8 p.m. tomorrow. Again, that's 9 in the morning we could be out, and we'll come out as late as 8 p.m. tomorrow. A couple things. Number 3, this is where the help comes in, everybody, okay? For number 3, put a block of time when you're definitely going to be home tomorrow, okay? We've used a lot of people here, as you can see. We had a lot of people at the other group. We're just kind of going house to house, all right? We're not really going to be able to call everyone first. So put a good block of time when you know for sure you'll be home, okay? And also, this is really important, make sure you both will be there, okay? You'll have different questions. Our EPA certified tech will be able to answer. And guys, remember I mentioned we give you a way to get questions answered. This is it. At your house, I mean, we could talk about the 20 different options here. You know, when our guy comes out, he'll be able to answer the question that applies to your home as he's conducting that free inspection for you. Okay? So make sure you're both there. Put a block of time. I'll give you some examples. A lot of couples will put, 10 to noon. They know they're going to be home. 2 to 4 or 6 to 8, something like that. Now, when you got your time written on your card, make sure I can see it, show it to me, or flip it over so I can see there's a time written there. Once that's in place, I'll collect that, we'll do the door prize, and we'll wrap up, okay? So go ahead and talk with each other if you need to, decide on the best time for tomorrow, and we'll do that door prize and wrap up. Thanks a lot.